Welcome back to Smrity Computer. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest, safest way to find and delete huge unnecessary files that are quietly eating gigabytes on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So, let's jump in. Okay, let's start with the fastest wins. Clear the hidden temp folders everyone forgets about. First of all, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. A little run box pops up. First type exactly this prefetch, hit enter. Windows might ask for permission, click continue or yes. You'll see a folder full of tiny files. These are preloaded app data that Windows doesn't need anymore. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. Click yes if it asks to confirm. You just freed up a few hundred megabytes instantly. Back to run. Windows key plus R again. This time type temp, hit enter, same deal. Ctrl plus A, Shift plus Delete. Yes. These are leftover installer and app junk files. Windows key plus R. Now type %temp. That's the % line, then temp, then again. This is the biggest hidden temp folder for user apps. On many PCs, this is multiple gigabytes. Ctrl plus A, Shift plus Delete. Confirm if a few files say in use, just click skip or do this for all current items. Phase 2, let Windows clean itself with the Pro tool. Press Windows key plus R1 last time, type CleanMGR and hit enter. That's CleanMGR. Select your main drive, usually C, click OK. Now click the big button that says Clean up system files. This unlocks the good stuff. Select C drive again. Okay, check everything in the list. Windows Update Cleanup. This one alone can be 10 to 30 gigabytes on old PCs. Delivery optimization files, temporary internet files, thumbnails, recycle bin, previous Windows installations. Look at the total space at the top. Crazy, right? Click OK, then delete files. Grab a quick coffee. This one takes 2 to 10 minutes depending on how much junk it found. That's it. Restart your PC real quick and feel the difference. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.